Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the lag on Roblox. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Roblox. As you can see right now I don't have any lag and I'm gonna show you how to do it. All what you have to do is simple. Just go to any server on Roblox, for example this one, and go to the top here. Click on Roblox logo and go to this settings, and then make the movement mode on default, and also the camera mode on default, and then scroll down and make the graphics mode on automatic. If it didn't solve the problem, go back and make it manual and make the graphics quality lower like this. Congratulations and see you later in the next video.